Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to play multiplayer Warzone mobile step by step. Tap Match, select Multiplayer, pick a loadout, and squad up to start playing. First, choose a balanced weapon and grenades, then equip perks that match your playstyle. Finally, confirm your loadout and wait for the map to load while checking ping and team roles to avoid early mismatches. In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer Warzone mobile step by step. Master basic movement. Sprint, slide, and crouch to control engagements and positioning. Tune sensitivity in small increments until aiming feels natural, and practice recoil patterns in private matches for muscle memory. Use cover and sound cues to predict enemy locations, and communicate quickly with ping or voice to coordinate pushes and retreats with your squad. In this video, I will review how to play multiplayer Warzone mobile step by step. Quick recommendation: if you want less mess during long sessions, try those leak-proof meal prep containers for tidy snacks and easy meal prep between matches. They save time and keep food fresh, which helps you stay focused on rotations and loadouts. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to play multiplayer Warzone mobile step by step. Engage smartly. Choose when to fight and when to reposition to survive longer and earn more kills. Use utility like stun and smoke to force enemies out of cover or escape dangerous fights. Coordinate with teammates on rotations and revive plans, and always watch the minimap for threat zones and loot opportunities to stay one step ahead of opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.